Alright, so I wanted to make a new video on Accordion. That's the title. So, what is Accordion? It's a collapsible content. Accordion are useful when you want to toggle between hiding and showing large amount of content, right? So let's start by adding all the HTML first, right? We're going to do HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Alright, let's create a button. And give it a class. Let's name it group 1. And inside button, we'll do div and class panel, right? And inside the div, we can just say this is group 1, right? So let's make 3 more of this, and let's call this 2, and this one 3. I'm just checking all the code just to make sure everything is alright. Okay. Oops, I made a slight mistake. So div should be outside of button, like that, and just going to be like that. And let's make it a p element. Alright, now it's okay. We can make 2 of these, 3 of these actually. Alright. Let's start adding the CSS right now. Alright, so we're gonna start by adding Accordion. Let's give it a background color. And color. Cursor. I'm writing this all from a note, so if I pause in between, so I'm checking my notes. So yeah, I already made a mistake reading from the notes, but it's okay. Right? And we're gonna add border none, outline none, and we'll add a transition because it's gonna open up, right? Like it's gonna open up. So let's add a transition to transition 0.5 seconds. Alright, so let's add. So we're gonna add an active class. Let me just show you first. Right? We're going to add this thing with JavaScript. Alright, we're going to add this with JavaScript. Alright, and now we're going to make the panel padding 20 pixel. Why is it not working? looks supposed to be working. Div class web.p. I'm not sure why it isn't working, but CLASS class. What is it working? Oh, I'm dumb. I'm really dumb. I added 20 pixels to the left and right. I'm really dumb, but it's okay. We're gonna get rid of the display none and overflow hidden. Let's give it a little bit of padding. Top command language. Right, that seems better, right? And we're gonna do font family Arial, just so it looks a little bit nicer, you know. All right, let's start adding the JavaScript right now. Let's make Accordion. So we're getting the class name Accordion, right? Let's give it a light, not far, so it's just better. And let's make a for loop, so you can loop through all three of this group. Let's make it for I. I is less than accordion dot length I plus plus. So now accordion, we're going to look through accordion by giving it the I value, and we're going to add an event listener to every one of these groups. Add EVE and TLISTENER event listener, CLICK click, and we're going to make a function this dot class list dot toggle. So you're going to toggle the active button, right? Every time we look through, we're going to add the active button. And now let's make let panel this dot next ELEMENTSIBLING next sibling, next element sibling, if if panel dot style dot display is equal to block, we're going to do panel dot style style dot display is equal to none. Alright, and else panel dot style dot display is equal to block. Okay, let's just do QERY SELECT or core selector. What's going on? Alright. Oops. Alright, where did we go wrong? We messed up somewhere, right? So let's check where we messed up. We did the accordion. query selector. Just get element, get elements by class name, right? Whew. I messed up somewhere. I'm just trying to find where I messed up. Ooh, okay. Here's number one. Messed up. Var I equal I0, I is less than accordion dot length, I plus plus accordion. Right? Class name, that shouldn't be there. The dot shouldn't be there. Ooh, alright. So that was the problem. Var I equals 0. That was the problem. So, yep, it's working right now. Alright, so we're gonna try to add icons, add symbol to each buttons to indicate where the collapsible content is open or closed, right? So we can do that in here. Accordion. After, we can say content is 02795. Font size 12 pixel. Color HD777. Float right. Margin left 5 pixel. We can do that. We can also do before, right? Before float left, or yeah, we can do that. Margin left, and we can do margin right, 15 pixels. All right, and we're gonna do dot. Since active is toggling, we're gonna do active after content 2796. 4. Alright. Huh. It is working. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.